Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to present two classroom situations and explain how I would apply two traditional English language teaching methodologies other than the communicative approach. The first method is total physical response, also known as TPR, and the second one is the audiolingual method. I will describe the groups, explain the classroom situations, show how the methods would be implemented, and justify why these methodologies are appropriate for each context. Well, my first group is a class of 24 first-year ESO students with an A1 level of English. They are energetic students, but they have difficulties remembering action verbs and basic classroom instructions. They also feel insecure when speaking English. For this reason, I would use total physical response. According to this method, students learn language through movement and physical actions. Understanding comes before speaking, and learners respond physically to verbal commands. So first, I will model actions while giving commands such as stand up, open your book, or touch the door. Then students will respond physically without speaking. After that, students would work in pairs and start giving commands to each other. I believe this method is effective because it reduces anxiety, increases motivation, and helps students remember vocabulary more easily through movement and repetition. However, TPR may be less effective for abstract concepts or advanced grammar structures. My second group is a business English class with 12 adult learners at a B1 level. These students communicate relatively well, but they repeatedly make grammatical mistakes when talking about past tenses. For this situation, I would use the audiolingual method, since this method focuses on listening, speaking, repetition, and drills in order to reinforce correct language patterns. First, I would present a short dialogue in the past tense. Students would listen carefully and repeat the sentences several times. Next, I would use substitution drills and transformation drills so students can practice the structures intensively. Finally, students would create short control dialogues using the target grammar. I think this method is appropriate because repetition helps students internalize grammatical structures and improve pronunciation and fluency. Nevertheless, if used excessively, drills may become repetitive or monotonous, so the method should be combined with other more communicative activities. To conclude, traditional methodologies can still be very useful in modern language teaching if they are adapted to the students' needs and learning objectives. TPR is especially useful for beginners and vocabulary acquisition, while the audiolingual method is effective for improving grammatical accuracy and pronunciation. As future teachers, we should understand that there is no perfect method, and our role is to select the most appropriate strategies for each classroom context. So, with that being said, thank you very much for watching.